Want an easy Forex trading system way to stress-free profits? Do you want to become a profitable Forex trader? Introducing the 1000 pip climber system, a state-of-the-art trading algorithm designed to make it as easy as possible for you to profit from Forex. The system continuously analyzes the Forex market, looking for high-probability trading opportunities. Once identified, the software will notify you visually, audibly, and via email. All trade parameters are provided: entry price, take profit, and stop loss. The system is easy to set up and is designed to be followed 100% mechanically. Just follow the system and get results. This really is the simplest way to profit from the FX market. Here's a quick summary of 1000 pip climber system. Forex trading system. 1. High performance, reliably produced over 1000 plus pips per month for over 2 years. 2. 100% rule-based trading, automated trade detection with entry, stop loss and take profit. 3. Easy to set up step-by-step video guide for installation and setup. 4. Easy to follow, anywhere audio, visual and email signals as standard. 5. Full support available with you all the way and will happily answer any questions. 1000 pip climber system is perfect for the beginner. Setting up the system is easy. The system uses an expert advisor that runs on MetaTrader MT4. Do not worry if you are unfamiliar with these terms. Everything is provided by the video inside, explaining everything step by step. You will get email on all the information within 48 hours of purchase. You will also receive a free beginner's guide to Forex trading and detailed instructions on how to follow the 1000 pip climber system. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you give yourself a chance to get blown away with the fast, easy and powerful results. Today's the day. Get the system now and finally enjoy stress-free trading by simply clicking on the link below.